Alright guys, today I'm just showing you how to remove this Toyota Yaris. It's a 28. This is the window switch. So what you do, you just come down here. You just hold this thing right here. You just pry some space here. You can use a flat Phillips. You can use a flat Phillips to just get it out of the way like that. Once you get that hole like that, you just pull it like this. This thing comes out like this. Is how you remove your window switch for the Yaris. Once you get it out the way like this, guys, this is what's in the back. You can just disconnect. Just press here, just like that. It comes out. And then this right here, guys, you just pull like that, and just like that, guys, your window switch this is out. So to put it back, guys, you just need to snap it back. You just start from here on top right here. You put it back like that, and then you just you push it all the way in, and then it snaps in. So right, guys.